Hey, curious people, welcome back to my channel, The Traveling Prof. I'm sure everybody who leaves the US and goes to another country has a different reason for doing so. Now, for me, I have a reason that has made my interest in foreign cultures much more than just a hobby. It's a way of life. You see, just a few months ago, I asked a Ukrainian woman to be my wife, and that means that for the rest of my life, I'm going to be studying her culture in order to better understand and better communicate with her. And that communication process begins, first of all, with studying a foreign language. Now, Yana is Ukrainian, but she speaks both Ukrainian and Russian equally. So, for me, I decided to start with the Russian language and then later transition to the Ukrainian language. And that is the first series that we're going to be offering on this channel, a Russian word of the day. Not a lot, just a little 1 minute, maybe minute 30-second long video clip that you can watch every morning right after you get up, learn a new word in Russian, and take it with you and hopefully increase your comprehension of the Russian language. I'm going to be studying these words. She's going to be recording the audio herself. I'll try to say the words back, probably butcher them. Hope you enjoy laughing at me as I make a fool of myself on here. We'll see you again Monday as we start this series. But until then, get curious and start digging.